are you going? Can I come to? The whole world is open, a playground for me and you, and we could be fine. Shit, who the hell?
This area is new. We're heading to gate B5.
The Bakers, or Lexi. You're the first one. Oh wait, no, you're not the first one. You could be. If it's an emergency, then I can be like, hey, get back to the door. You could be the first one out. You can like shoot everybody. Bridges. I'm pretty excited about that.
Hi, we just picked up the truck from Josiah's friend's parents' house. And then we're gonna go get Starbucks.
Looks like I'm lactating.
He spilled water on himself.
Arrive at your destination.
I need a sleeve. This is our truck, our ride for the trip.
Yes.
So Josiah lost his glasses because he put it on
the trunk of the truck.
Yeah, so we're backtracking and trying to find it because he loves those glasses.
You wanna get this?
What? Ah, he found it. Wow, lucky day, bruh.
Oh, lucky day.
And it goes a little something like.
Does Bob Ross smell good?
Smells pretty good. Bob Ross and SpongeBob.
Whichever smells better.
Pineapple.
Oh, it's pineapple. You love
This
pineapple.
smells pretty good though. Midnight Breeze.
Yeah, it does smell good.
Midnight Breeze, bro. Bob Ross, bro.
We just got out of Target and we got a couple things like food and snacks and shampoo and conditioner and stuff. And we got hand sani.
I think when you rip it out, it creates a rip for you.
I just rip it out. Oh wow, you were right.
Then you use the rip.
Oh, just use the rip. Okay. Genius. Bob Ross, you smell good.
He's dead. Sorry.
Smell Bob Ross.
You smell cherry though.
Okay, where do we put it? There.
He do smell pretty good, man. What the hell?
Say again?
Hey! Come eat, bro!
We're at Vernon's again. We tried to go to Cafe 100, but
It was
They were
closed
closed.
and we gotta go.
Josiah's in a rush. He's excited. He saw the snow on the mountain and he was excited.
We
It's his
need
first
time.
time. It's his first time. See snow.
We need time, enough time to go out there and come back.
my chip bag. It's gonna pop soon. So last time we weren't prepared to go up Mauna Kea, and this time we were. But sadly, the road's closed.
Icy.
Yeah, because there's ice and it's snowing on the road, so it's dangerous. But at least we know there's snow.
Yeah.
So they said to check the weather for Mauna Kea later, and maybe we can come up another day.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
That would be cool.
Yeah, that would be cool. So we're just gonna go find a spot and eat our food.
Not down there, but I saw this one. I was like, oh, this is pretty good too.
You don't even have to try any longer. Do what you want to, girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. There's
Hi.
Hi, Josiah's happy. Oh. Show off.
Look at that view.
let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
You wanna go jump in?
You're not jumping in. pause and we're just getting some front. Oh, sorry. Aww. Not really hot, so I had to change. We're back at our Airbnb. We're gonna go try and get in now. And then I'll show you around. I wasn't able to record when we came in because my hands were full. But this is our Airbnb. So like that's the entrance. And is there anything over here? Oh yeah. There's a bathroom there. There's a fridge here. This is the bathroom. This is our little kitchen. This is the little living room area. And this is our bedroom for the night. It's 4:06 right now, but we're eating our food that we picked up earlier because we didn't have time to do it. We were like on the move. So we're finally eating on our little balcony.
So here we are, beneath the moon, the rising sun and stars. It's a brand new day, it's a brand new start. To greet the world, it's just me and my guitar. When you feel alone, when you feel afraid, don't hesitate to call my name, 'cause I'll be there for you, 'cause I'll be there when you're feeling blue. Breathe and take it in. Breathe, take it in. Breathe and take it in. Breathe, take it in.